guys, it's Dustin with RCJetAddiction. Today I wanted to go over the site, some of the practical uses of it, some how-tos, some I guess do's and don'ts, and let's get started here. So I just logged in with a new account. My name on this one is RCJetAddiction, as you can see here. So this is the way it looks. At the top we've got our site sponsors. These companies have helped us out, cover some costs, and they're quick links. So say you want to go to the FTE site, check out some events like Top Gun or Florida Jets, Monster Planes. Just click on there, pops up a new window, and you're right there at Frank's site. Pretty easy. So if you ever want to just get back to the home page on RCJetAddiction, just click the RCJetAddiction banner and it'll refresh the page or bring you from wherever you are back to the main page. So here we got a little banner ad. This red box is new when you first sign up your account. It kind of invites you to try something new. So I haven't invited any of my friends yet, and I haven't set up a profile photo, and I haven't added any content. So let's start with add a profile photo. You can either access it through this link here, or we can go into our settings. Let's go into settings. So we got a new page, and here in my settings we've got our current profile photo, email address, password, your name, birth date, all the good stuff there. Here you can see what memberships you have. This membership, this account is set up for the RCJetAddiction membership. There's also a donation membership and also a Spectrum DX18 how-to videos membership. All you can, if it shows up here, means you have the membership. My account here will need to be renewed by February 12th, 2014. If I want to renew now, I can click this button and it will allow me to become a site supporter. You can donate to the site, but basically it renews your account for another year. Something we want to discuss on this page before we get to uploading our profile photo is when you're on the go and you snap a photo with your smartphone and you want to share it with everybody on RCJA, what you can do is put this link right here in your phone as a contact, and then just simply email the photo that you want to share to this address, and it'll automatically go into your account. Pretty cool. So anyways, let's get back to uploading a photo. So we're gonna hit choose file. I already got something picked out here in my photos. There it is. Let's put this one up there. Good picture of myself and Peter Miller with his hawk. Alright, so here we go. We've got the photo, and we can grab this little button here and we can edit the size. We can move it around. I kind of want to get Peter out of there, so we'll crop him out. There we go. So hit save. And there we go. We got uploaded profile photo. So let's go through some of these settings. We got profile, which we've already seen that. Privacy. So this is where you can set up privacy settings for your personal account. Take a look, go through there, set it up however you'd like. I leave mine on the default setting. So let's check email. This is where you can turn off all the messages you'll get with RCJA. So if you don't want to receive any emails, just click these boxes, and here you can simply turn off all. So just more settings for your preferences. Go to my page. Nothing really to discuss here, but take a look at it. And connections. Here you can set up RCJA to link to your Facebook. So if you want to go down here into the status bar, you can toggle on publish to Facebook and Twitter. I don't use Twitter, so I don't ever use that. But you could update your status, like what am I doing today? Oh, let's see, we're recording a video. And let's not really put that on Facebook, so just hit share. Cool. There it is. So you can go into your private message inbox simply by clicking the inbox setting. You'll see that this box here stays the same no matter what page you're on, and you're always going to have these items on your right hand bar. So I don't have any messages here. If I wanted to write a message, hit compose. Pretty typical stuff. Anyways, we'll hit this button here, go right back to the main page. Let's see what else is new here. So you can see one of these red buttons went away. I'm simply just going to hit the red X because I don't care to invite any friends or add content. So there you go. This is how the form is going to look when you come back. Got our little welcome text. So if you want to find out more information on the site, you can click this link here, which is Site Help, and it's also above here in the site info, site help, site rules. The rules are also listed here. The biggest thing with this form is be nice. We don't want any bickering, so I think you guys know how to act in public, so do it here too. This box here shows the latest forum discussions. As you can see, there's probably, I don't know, 10 or so. If you want to add a discussion in the forums, you'd click here. If you want to view all of them, click here. So now we're viewing all. These first three are featured discussions. That changes every once in a while. Usually they're just useful tips, either by myself or from a top contributor of the site. If you want to scroll down, you can see that these discussions are in order of, I guess, the most recent. You can also switch it over to a categories view. So now, here at RCJA, we categorize all our form content into categories. So if you want to share a full-scale story, dump it into full-scale. Anything else fun, you know, Curtis Maticow, he's into restoring boats, so he puts some stories in extracurricular. We got classifieds here, for sale or wanted, whatever you want to put. I don't care. It's your site. Like I said before, this sidebar is always going to stay the same. So if you ever want to check out the RC flight deck, see what's coming up for events, you want to register for an event, you can do it right here, right from RCJA. So let's go back to the main page. Photos. You'll see here we've got the top, the latest 100 photos that users upload. It just cycles through. So if you're ever bored at work, you can watch those, see what's see what people are working on. If you want to add photos, you simply click the Add Photos button. There you go. So you'd upload photos. Pretty easy. Cancel this. Something unique to RCJA, we've got both the RC Flight Deck and also the RCJA events calendar. You can go in here, let's say the Florida Jets 2013 event. Gives you all the information you need to know about the event right here on the site. You can see who's attending, who might attend, not attend, and you can leave comments, you know, where you're staying, who all's going from your club, whatever you want to talk about right here. Hit back. We've also got a groups category, so if you and your buddies have got a little jet club like the guys in Nashville, they got 8 members in their little group. It's by invite only, as you can see. So maybe you want to join their group, to send them a message. I'm sure they'll let you in. So groups are fun. Specific airplane groups like the BVM F-86 80-inch wing guys, F-100 guys. Just places for those guys to talk about their airplanes and share tips and secrets and all that good stuff. Here we've got the videos. You can upload videos just by hitting Add Videos. Grab the YouTube link. In the future we'll have our own branded video player where you can just email a video directly to the site and it'll be hosted right here. No advertisements on it like on YouTube. I hate that. So here we've got the chat room. As you can see, we've got some guys online right now. It's pretty cool. Let's say something to them. Hey guys. So that's pretty fun. Sometimes we get about 10 guys chatting, discussing, asking questions, sharing information. So pretty useful for just killing time, hanging out with your buddies. So here we got a birthdays list, so happy birthday to you guys. Be on this video forever. Sometimes we throw in little advertisements to just remind guys of other organizations out there like the JPO. So if you're not a member, click here to join. That'll be up for a little while. Team USA for the World Jet Masters. You can go check out their page. You can donate to them, help them out with some expenses. I'm sure they'll greatly appreciate it. So we've got a video chat feature if you want to show something to one of your buddies. Just tell them, hey, get on video chat, and we'll, you can show the project you're working on and get some help. So it's pretty basic how to use it. Don't need to go over that. Let's go to my page again. So here we are on my page. You have control of this. You can add information about yourself. You can just use this text box to say whatever you want, describe your company. It doesn't matter what you put in there. You can do a lot with your own page. This is your section of the site, so all the photos that you upload will be here. The discussions that you create, participate in, comments from your friends onto your wall will be here. This is your section, so you can drag these around if you want to reorganize them, if you want your photos to be up on top. Pretty neat. So one last thing I want to show is when you're in a forum, say we're going to go and reply to Scott Harris's adding a smoke system to a hawk. We can send Scott a private message. You can view his other discussions. But see how he's got nice big photos embedded in there with his text. You can like it. Well, we like this. Give him a little respect. If you want to share it, you can share it on all these social network sites. You can do Facebook, whatever you want to do, and just hit share page. So, say we want to leave Scott a little message saying, you know, nice job, or see you at Florida Jets, or something like that. Let's do see you at Florida Jets. And we want to upload a link. Here you can type what text you want it to be, and then type in whatever you know, web address it is, and then when it displays on the site here, it'll be in red letters, but when you hover over it and click, it'll take you right to that site. The next icon is the image tool. So you can select a file from your computer, and then you can choose, is it left justified, center, right, or full screen. The cell padding, you can set the link where it takes you to another website, and also the width in pixels. You can also just grab the URL of an existing photo from anywhere on the net or off of RCJA. Again, put it where you want, set your padding. Normally I just leave it at 0. You can set a link to redirect you to another place, or to that picture in full size. Again, you can set the width so that if you want it to just be a little small picture, just make it 100. If you want it to be a big photo, make it 600. Pretty easy stuff. You want to embed a video into your comment, just grab the embed code from YouTube or wherever your video is hosted. This one is, you can just paste in plain text. Here you edit fonts, justification, center, left, right, and some more punctuation. Sometimes you want to just insert HTML. If you're a web guy, you know what that is, but just click that button, it turns it into HTML. So you can put that code. So next you just hit add reply, but we're not going to do that right now. This button here, follow, email me when people reply. Let's click that. So now anytime someone leaves a comment, I'll get an email in my inbox, and just to alert me that someone's replied so I can go and check it out. So let's stop following. When you get tired of hearing people talking about stuff that you don't care about anymore, just go on there and hit stop following. On RCJetAddiction, you can upload files. So I would click this button, and I can upload 3 files at a time. So this is not where you really want to put photos, because they show up like this, where the viewer must click it and it expands to full size. I recommend using the upload attach files for sharing transmitter files, for just showing things that aren't normally seen on the web. So I use it mainly for data files on a transmitter. You know, the new DX18QQ. I want to share my KingCat program with my buddy who's building a KingCat. I take it off the SD card, attach it here, then anyone who sees it can download it, try it out for themselves. Makes file sharing pretty easy. So at this point, we've pretty much covered probably 90% of what you can do with this this format. Hope you find it kind of new and exciting, and hope you guys post your projects. Like to see what you guys are working on. Share photos. If you go to an event, get your guys together. Take some photos of what you're doing during the day, your models, your If you go out and have a few drinks at the bar and you're having a good time, take a photo. We want to see it. Make sure that you check out our store. We've got a brand new t-shirt coming out right at Florida Jets, the Got Fuel navy blue. Pretty cool. Hope you guys like what you see and continue to participate. Thanks for watching.